Hey everyone, this week we are back putting together a new furnace which I purchased. This one is a different style which is better suited to blacksmithing projects than my other one is. So here's the box the furnace came in. I'm going to open it right up and get this set up. Take out the box. Two more things in the box. Got those. Got my burners. I've got special mix paint stuff. Got the fire bricks and the regulator. The interior wool was initially a mess, as you can see here, so I just straightened it up before doing anything else. There is a rigidizing mixture designed to make the insulation inside last longer, which I have to apply. This is a semi-slow process, but it should go decently fast since I've done this before. I didn't record the application of this on the interior roof or the doors of the furnace because the angle needed for the camera was in the way. Now that the rigidizer is applied, I'm putting the fire bricks inside, and the rigidizer should cement them to the bottom of the furnace. It's what I did with the melting furnace. After finishing the interior, I waited 24 hours for the rigidizer to dry, and now I'm going to attach the burner and set up the propane lines. Now I'm a fool and I made the mistake of putting the propane line onto the regulator before I put the clamp over the propane line. I was thinking in my head, put on the clamp for a while, and I still managed to attach the propane line before I put the clamp on. So I just cut the line off, and the line is shorter by 1.5 inches. Alright, so there we go. I now have a set up blacksmithing furnace. This should make my life much easier, and the next thing I want to get is a proper steel anvil. It might be a while though because they're crazy expensive, but I will be getting one eventually. Okay, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will see you next week. Bye!